Cut baseboards to follow uneven floors by scribing the bottom edge so the trim sits tight without visible gaps. Start by placing the baseboard against the wall where it will go and mark a reference line at the top of the baseboard so you can realign pieces consistently. Use a scriber or compass set to the widest gap and run it along the floor to transfer the contour onto the baseboard bottom. If the gap varies, take multiple passes and blend the marks into a smooth curve. Cut along the scribed line with a jigsaw fitted with a fine-tooth wood blade, supporting the board fully to avoid tear-out and working slowly to maintain control. For long runs, cut and fit boards in sequence so the top reference line remains uniform and butt joints remain tight at the face. Cope inside corners to ensure seamless transitions where two profiles meet. When gaps are very small under the scribed edge, apply paintable caulk to seal and prevent dirt accumulation, but for larger inconsistencies, add a quarter round to mask the variance while keeping the baseboard profile clean. If you are replacing or installing baseboard over subfloor transitions, shim behind the baseboard where the floor lifts to reduce the amount of material removal required at the low spots. Always dry fit each piece before final fastening. Nail through the face or into the wall studs, and touch up with wood filler and paint for a finished look. Common mistakes include cutting without a consistent top reference, which causes uneven reveal at the wall. Fix this by marking and clamping a straight edge at the same top height for every board. Another issue is rushing the scribe and leaving a jagged bottom edge that rocks when installed. Remedy that by taking multiple light passes with the jigsaw and sanding the scribed edge smooth before installation. A third frequent problem is over-reliance on caulk to hide large gaps, which looks unprofessional and cracks over time. Instead, use shims or quarter round for larger discrepancies and reserve caulk only for hairline gaps and final sealing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and allows contractors to find work by connecting them with homeowners looking for specific skills related to trim and flooring. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real projects so our members can make better installation decisions.